あれほどのオーラを放つ。
Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can improve the quality and color correction of any scene you want. Let's create a composition. I chose the character Cha Hai-in from Solo Leveling. Let's isolate the scene we're going to use.
あれほどのオーラを放つ人、この世に何人いるだろうか。
Now let's create an adjustment layer. You can also create it the way I showed. Now let's add the following effects one by one. Looks for color grading. Sharpen for sharpness. Unsharp mask for depth. CC vignette for edge depth. Lumetri color for additional color grading. Now let's set up the look settings. You can enter the settings I have applied here. Now it's time for the render settings. Now it's time for the Topaz Quality Enhancement settings. We're done. Let's render the video, and it's ready.